Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix the connection issue for these earbuds. So for example, if one earbud is working and the other one is not working, so how to fix this issue? So I will show you 3 different methods. So let's start. The first method is by doing the hard reset. So first of all, you have to insert your earbuds inside the charging case. So I will insert them one by one. Make sure they are properly connected. In the next step, you have to open the Galaxy Wearable app. So I will open this app and then you have to scroll down, and here you can see we have this option of earbuds settings. So you have to select this option, and here inside the earbud settings you can see we have this option of reset. So you have to select this option and then again select reset. So this will do the factory reset for these earbuds. Now you have to connect them back. So select this start option and then it will start scanning the nearby devices. Here you can see it is showing Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So you can select it and then it will start making the connection. And here you can see we have this option of pair. So I will select pair and then it will start pairing. So we just have to wait for a few seconds and then select continue and then select next and again next. And here you can see it is saying you are all set. So we just have to wait. So here you can see Buds 3 Pro are now connected with both left and right earbuds, and it is also showing you the battery percentage for the charging case. So everything is working perfectly fine now. So this is the first method. The next method is about using this pairing button at the back side of charging case. So first of all, you have to open the Galaxy Wearable app and then you have to insert your earbuds inside the charging case. So I will insert them one by one. And then what you have to do, you have to leave this charging case open, and then at the back side you have this pairing button. So you have to press and hold this pairing button for 10 seconds. So I will press and hold it for 10 seconds like this, and you will see after few seconds this LED light will start blinking, and then here it will also get disconnected from your device. Then you can leave this button. Now in the next step, you have to close this charging case. Okay, so I will close it like this, and after 3 seconds you can open it again. So now I will open the charging case again, and then here on your device it will show you the pairing option. So here you can see they will get automatically connected with your device, and here you can see everything is working perfectly fine in the app. Now you can use these earbuds. The next method is about Bluetooth settings. So first of all, I will bring down this quick panel, and here you can see we have this Bluetooth icon. So I will press and hold this Bluetooth icon and then I will select details. Once you go inside Bluetooth settings, here you can see Buds 3 Pro, and it is also showing me this settings icon. So I will select this settings icon. Once you go inside settings, here you can see we have this option of disconnect. So I will select this disconnect option and then I will select this unpair option. So I will select unpair, and then again it will ask me if I want to unpair. So again I will select unpair. Now they will get disconnected from your device and they are also unpaired. Now what you have to do, you have to insert these earbuds inside the charging case. So I will insert them one by one. So I will insert these earbuds inside my charging case like this, and once you insert them, here you can see it is giving you the option for Buds 3 Pro, and it is asking you if you want to connect it. If it is not showing you this option, you can just close the charging case. Just close it like this for 3 seconds. Okay, and then after 3 seconds you can open it again. So I will open it again, and now here it will show you the connection option. So here you can see it is giving me the connection option. I will select this connect option and then it will start making the connection. You just have to wait for a few seconds, and here you can see Buds 3 Pro are now connected with my device and they are ready to use. So these are 3 different methods you can try if you have the connection issues for your Buds 3 Pro. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.